Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're just going to clean out the fridge and the freezer. I have to admit, this is one chore that I don't do all the time. I may do once every 3 months, if that. I always tend to forget this, and then if something spills, we just get the rag to clean up that one spot, but that's it. Like, I oversee the importance of doing a good wipe down. And so today I'm actually going to be wiping down, getting rid of some things right before I do groceries. This weekend, actually, the Hubs is coming into town, so I wanted to make sure I stock up the fridge for just while he is home. Not only that, but we need groceries anyway. As you can see, once I've cleaned everything out, yeah, we won't have much left. But anyway, but yeah, so if you're needing some motivation today and, you know, cleaning out your fridge, I hope this gets you going. I hope this motivates you. So let's just go ahead and jump right in. So all I was using here was just a small bowl of lukewarm water and just some of the Mrs. Meyer's soap. I am still using the pine scent soap from the Christmas edition or Christmas line. I absolutely love the smell of pine. It reminds me of just fresh and clean, and some people may think that it's a bit strong. I love it. So I was just using some of that, and I also had my all-purpose cleaner on standby just in case I need to get a little bit, you know, get something that was a little stuck on. And I actually ended up using that, I believe, for the freezer. So, but anyway, so yeah, that's what I was using, and it just worked out great. I didn't have to haul any shelves over to the sink and do, you know, soap and water in the sink while I had it in the bucket, and because I normally take the shelves out and put it over into the sink. But I thought, let's just save some time here, use a small bowl with some lukewarm water and some Mrs. Meyer's soap. So if any of you are new, welcome. So as I said at the beginning of the video, yes, my husband will be in town. He actually travels for work, and sometimes can be gone for a week or two, if not longer. And he just, I don't like him coming home to a messy home. I don't like him coming home to an empty fridge. So as you will see, I'll be pulling out some adult juice pretty shortly. We are beer drinkers. I actually started off drinking wine. I used to love white wine, and that was giving me a headache, and then I went over to red wine. I absolutely loved red wine, and I'll still drink that once in a while. My fave is either Cab or Merlot, mainly Cab, but I've been getting headaches on that too. So you guys, if you know something that I don't know, if it's age, I don't know, please let me know. I'm only 39. I'll be 40 this year. But I've turned into this huge beer drinker. So I'll drink, you know, I'll try new things. And ever since being in Ohio, I've been on the Great Lakes Dort something other. I don't know the actual name, but it's Dort. But it's close. It's within the, I believe it's within the IPA family, but it's so stinking good. And I'm not a IPA drinker, but anyway, I needed to make sure that I had a variety of beer for my husband, and for myself, because again, I do love a cold one.
I see you watching me when we're with our friends. It's definitely something in the air, so let's take it from there, 'cause I know you want it. Afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow, grow, grow? I think it's time we stop tipping on our toes. What's holding you back now, sugar? 'Cause I don't know, I sure know you want it. Afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow? Why don't we let it, why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? It grows stronger for every day. We just can't keep it away, no. Yeah. Grow, 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 grow. It grows stronger for every day. We just can't keep it away. Oh, make you move before someone takes your place. I know how you feel, but you're scared to say to my face. I sure know you want it. Afraid to let it show.
So I follow a family on YouTube and also on Instagram named A Tribe of Mini, or Our Tribe of Mini, and they were talking about this yogurt, Chobani, and I was like, you know what, let me give it a try. I love Greek yogurt. I love yogurt in general. I've heard of Greek yogurt being better for you than regular yogurt, so I was like, just let's give it a try. So I went to Costco and bought this huge container without even thinking if I would actually like it. And you guys, it's stinking amazing. Highly recommend it. If you're wondering what this little jar is, this wonderful thing is called coquito. It is a spiked eggnog or beverage that my mother makes for me once a year. And so yeah, she had brought it over and wanted me to have it. She had made it for me actually at the beginning of the year, and since we had been out of town, she's been holding off and holding it for me. So don't worry, the kids know not to touch it, because it's an amazing jar, and two, they know that it came from Grandma's house. So anyway, so yeah, that's what that jar was, and it's amazing. If you guys know someone who can make you some, get it, or if not, my quick fix is get eggnog and spike it.
Why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? Why don't we let it grow? Why don't we let it? Why don't we let it grow? Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You guys, I am so terribly embarrassed over my freezer with time slipping by and just other things going on. And you know, when you, I can't give it any explanation. I can't give reason for this. Just life, and a busy one at that. So I needed, this freezer was screaming at me, clean me out, wipe me down, throw things out. This was a soup that was made last year. Oh my gosh, that was in the container for what? So that got thrown out. But anyway, you guys, this is just a horrific sight, and I apologize. And I'm sitting here looking for the expiration date on this box, couldn't find it. And I don't know if you guys do with this as well, but sometimes like it's hard to find the expiration date, and then when you find it, you're like, you know, jackpot, right? So anyway, this freezer was screaming. I needed to clean it out. So if you're wondering, family of 5 and a small freezer, don't worry. We actually have a deep freezer out in the garage, and I am terrified to touch that one. But we do have another freezer. So I wanted to jump back on and say thank you for watching, and thank you for joining me in this video. I hope this clean, fridge clean and freezer clean motivates you. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. And I hope you consider subscribing and sticking around and joining my YouTube family. And you guys, I have got so much stuff coming up. There's so much stuff coming up. I can't even explain. But anyway, welcome. And if you are a returning viewer, thank you guys so much. Your support is amazing. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Much love and God bless.